Welcome to Quizzers Challenge. Today, we have a fun challenge for you. Would you rather, Dog Lovers Edition. If you're ready, hit the subscribe button for more fun games just like this. All right, let's start it. Would you rather adopt a puppy or an adult dog? Would you rather have a dog that loves to swim or one that loves hiking? Would you rather your dog be a lap dog or a guard dog? Would you rather your dog be super active or super chill? Would you rather your dog be a big dog or a small dog? Would you rather have a dog that loves car rides or one that loves baths? Would you rather your dog be a foodie or picky eater? Would you rather your dog be a morning dog or a night dog? Would you rather train your dog using treats or praise? Would you rather take your dog to a dog park or a dog-friendly cafe? Would you rather your dog be a rescue or a purebred? Would you rather your dog be good with kids or good with other pets? Would you rather your dog be a big snorer or silent while sleeping? Would you rather your dog get muddy or get wet in the rain? Would you rather your dog be a morning barker or a night howler? Would you rather your dog be super friendly or a little reserved? Would you rather your dog have a wagging tail or a floppy ear? Would you rather your dog be a ball chaser or a stick fetcher? Would you rather your dog stay at home or travel with you everywhere? Would you rather your dog have a short coat or long, fluffy fur? Would you rather your dog know how to do tricks or just be loyal? Would you rather have a dog that loves being bathed or hates it? Would you rather your dog be a puppy forever or age gracefully? Would you rather your dog live a long life or an active, short life? Would you rather have a dog that barks a lot or one that never barks? Would you rather your dog love water or hate it? Would you rather adopt a dog from a shelter or buy from a breeder? Would you rather your dog be super calm or super playful? Would you you rather have a dog that likes to sleep in bed with you or one that sleeps on the floor? Would you rather your dog be a rescue or a breeder's dog? Would you rather your dog have a high energy level or be lazy? Would you rather your dog be a cat-like dog or a traditional dog? Would you rather your dog have a goofy personality or a serious one? Would you rather have a dog that sheds a lot or one that sheds very little? Would you rather your dog be a show dog or just a happy pet? Would you rather your dog be a guard dog or a therapy dog? Would you rather your dog be super vocal or super quiet? Would you rather your dog be a dog's dog or a human's dog? Would you rather your dog learn new tricks quickly or slowly? Would you rather have a dog that loves car rides or one that gets nervous? Would you rather your dog play fetch all day or have cuddles all day? Would you rather your dog love to dig or love to chew? Would you rather take your dog on a long hike or a short walk every day? Would you rather your dog be a morning barker or an evening sleeper? Would you rather your dog be a food thief or a toy thief? Would you rather your dog be obsessed with balls or frisbees? Would you rather your dog get along with all dogs or be picky about who they get along with? Would you rather have a dog that loves to cuddle or one that gives space?